Guys, Minecraft Creeper here. Oh god, yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. Hey guys, Minecraft Creeper here, 1, 2, 3, and look. Does that look nice? Apparently not. Frick. Oh, frick. Sirens. Sirens are going off. Oh my god. That's crazy. Look at this. That doesn't look nice. Like everywhere. And look at it, it's like coming straight for it. Do you hear the thunder? Isn't that worrying? That's weird. Right? Isn't it? We're under a watch, so I don't know what's gonna happen with this. So yeah. Anyway guys, this will be the end of this video. Storm video. And see you guys next time. Bye.